Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve from resolution to screen filtering, or the screen appears to be blurry or filtering while playing games. Let's fix that guys. Go to start, click on it. So you want to go to search menu over here, device manager, click open. Now here you want to expand the display adapter and you want to update your display guys. Right click on it and update driver, click on it. Browse my computer for drivers, locate and install a driver manually, click on it. And let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, click on it guys. Want to select already selected display, or you can anything or in here and click on OK. Installing drivers guys. Close out of here. Now the problem resolved. If problem didn't resolve, the next step you want to go to settings, open it. Now we want to go to system. In display option you want to scale and layout, you want to click on recommend 100%, and here display resolution you want to click on here 1440 into 900, that's the best guys. And scroll down or go to advanced display settings, click on it, and display adapter properties for display, and click on it guys. Want to go to monitor, you want to screen refresh rate, you want to keep in high over here. Whatever you have you need to keep high, apply and okay. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.